300 kilos of filament, 7 days non-stop printing on 100 H2D printers. And this isn't even the limit. This is just what we could fit here. You've got printed parts, cyberbrick components, all put together to make this amazing city model. We've got cars driving around by themselves. We've got buildings with beautiful lights that react if it's light, if it's dark. We've got the Wonderlight bookstore over here. We've got Bambu Lab coffee. We've got a gym. We've got Bambu Lab office over here. We've got our welcome makers sign for Maker World, and inside that store you can actually see a miniature version of the exact same city. Outdoor seating, all the grass, all the stones, all the roads have been printed on the Bambu Lab printer. Along with the games, we've got score counters which are running throughout Formnext. Over here you can see the scoreboard of how many times one of our visitors have been able to pick up this cube, drop it through this box. Everyone's been coming to the table, having fun, playing games.
It's really fun.
I mean, it's cool it's really cool to power your own buildings, electronic parts to let them move.
You have really much creativity you can make, and it's really impressive.
If you have a cool idea for the Cyberbrick, if you have a cool game in mind, anything you can do with the Cyberbrick, please do get in contact, upload it into Maker World, share your designs, earn Maker World points, cash those points in for gift cards, filaments, exclusive models. Just go nuts with it, have fun, that's all we want to see.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having fun.
Do you feel like a kid?